making ants egg. Gaeng Khai, mod Daeng, ants egg curry. I'm making the weird stuff. I cook the ants egg. The ants egg. This is pak hwan. We got it from the jungle. This one, the local, they go up to the mountain and then they find them like it's a sprout from the tree. Which is, I don't really know the word in English because you guys don't have in your country, you have only Siam name. But the taste is really sweet and nice. This thing that we can have only once a year, so I love it. So I'm pleased myself with this. And here you see, this is the red ant's egg. The ants, some of them turn to the bees. Look like a bee. Okay, boiling. Add more please. Boiling, add the ants egg in it. Seasoning with tamarind sauce in it. This sauce in it. Nothing. That one in. Very easy, simple. A couple minutes and then done. This fermented fish. Para. Thai love fermented fish. I have for the taste. Thai people love the fermented fish. Not everyone, but I would say 90%, I think. I'm one of them. Red curry with red ant's egg. Yum, spicy, sour, and the textures of the ant egg. Look, you see how they look like very close? When I bite it, it pops in my mouth like a caviar. I love it. I'm hungry. I can't have it. I'm gonna sit down and eat soon. Love it. Love it.